Good morning, student. Acid, bases, and salt. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ನಿನ್ನೆ ಕೆಮಿಕಲ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಟಿವಿಟಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಟಾಪಿಕ್ಕು ನಾನು ಇವತ್ತು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಟಾಪಿಕ್ಕು ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಮೆಟಲ್ ಕಾರ್ಬೊನೇಟ್ ಆರ್ ಮೆಟಲ್ ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್ ಕಾರ್ಬೊನೇಟ್ ವಿತ್ ಆ್ಯಸಿಡ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಬೇಸಸ್. ಮೆಟಲ್ ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್ ಕಾರ್ಬೊನೇಟ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು, ಮೆಟಲ್ ಕಾರ್ಬೊನೇಟ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು? ಸೋಡಿಯಂ ಕಾರ್ಬೊನೇಟಿಗೆ ಮೆಟಲ್ ಕಾರ್ಬೊನೇಟ್, ಮೆಟಲ್ ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್ ಕಾರ್ಬೊನೇಟ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಸೋಡಿಯಂ ಬೈಕಾರ್ಬೊನೇಟ್. ಓಕೆ, Na2CO3, NaHCO3. Okay, these react with acid, what it will happen? And these reacts with base, what it will happen? These are the questions arises. Okay, here acid react with metal carbonate. There is a formation of salt, carbon dioxide and water. For example, HCl, it react with sodium carbonate. There is a formation of sodium chloride, carbon dioxide and water. And HCl, it react with sodium bicarbonate. There is a formation of sodium Na plus Cl, NaCl. And there is a formation of CO2, carbon dioxide. And there is a formation of water. These two examples of the acid with sodium carbonate and sodium bicarbonate. And next is bases. Bases do not react with metal carbonates and metal hydrogen carbonate. You have to remember this point, because in MCQ questions like this questions only he will ask. Okay. Next topic, testing of carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide can be tested by passing through the lime water. Already you know. Lime water means calcium hydroxide. This calcium hydroxide combines with carbon dioxide. There is a milky white color is formed. That is known as lime water. That is known as milky white. This milky white releases water also. Excess of carbon dioxide, you are pouring more carbon dioxide into that, it's become colorless. Means how you will test carbon dioxide is present in that? On the basis of calcium hydroxide, it is a lime water. It react with carbon dioxide. There is a formation of calcium carbonate, CaCO3 plus water. You are adding more and more carbon dioxide into that. Okay, then what you are passing the carbon dioxide into that, there is a formation of colorless. First it is little amount of carbon dioxide you are adding, that time there is a milky white color is formed. You are adding more and more, there is a formation of completely the solution become colorless. Okay, with this you will identify the carbon dioxide concentration. Next, reactions of acid and bases with each other. Acid ಮತ್ತು ಬೇಸ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಆದರೆ ಏನು ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ? Acid react with base, there is a formation of salt and water. This reaction is very very important. Acid, it react with base, there is a formation of salt and water. For example, HCl is an acid, sodium hydroxide is an base, there is a formation of Na plus Cl. NaCl is formed, that is known as sodium chloride plus water. Okay, neutralization reaction. When an acid and base react to form a salt and water, that reaction is known as neutralization reaction. Define neutralization reaction, they will ask. That time you have to write acid react with base, there is a formation of salt, that is known as here it involves for neutralization the reaction hydrogen and hydroxide ions are generate water. Hydrogen and hydroxide ions present in acid and base combines, there is a formation of water. You have to remember that what it will form, acid and a base react, what it will form means there is a formation of salt. What do you mean by neutralization reaction? Means acid combines with base to form water and salt. That process is known as neutralization reaction. In this reaction, hydrogen and hydroxide ions are involved.